everybody, welcome to my channel and another video. So what I need to do, look at her sucking her thumb. So I am in my office and I need to repair my desk. So I showed you guys in another video where the side is starting to come off, and I went and I purchased the Gorilla Glue, and I also needed some clamps that I got from both of these. I got these from Home Depot. So I'm just about ready to go ahead and fix this desk. My husband says that it was probably the humidity that got it to start. She just want to sit on my lap. You saying hi to the vlog?
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say how you doing?
How you doing?
All right, these are my girls. They wanted to talk with you all. Okay, you said hi.
I will go to the nail salon.
You want to go to the nail salon? So Chloe's been bugging me about going to the nail salon. And I need to go because you guys look, my nails started popping off. I think it's been like 3-4 weeks since I got these done. And look, I done lost like 3 on this hand and 1 on this hand. So I think what I want to do, yes. Nail salon, yes. So I think what I want to do when I go back, I am going to just get a gel manicure. I'm not going to get the tips, so I'm going to take these off. Because I don't know, I feel like with tips you do lose, I feel like you lose some of the functionality of your fingers. So yeah, and I mean, I'm able to do stuff even with this length, but it still feels like I'm losing something. So I'd rather just have my own natural nails. So I think when I go back, I am going to get your tongue in. I'm going to just get the gel manicure, but I do love the color. I love the color. But anyway, what's so funny? Oh, my birthday is Monday, the 28th. And
Our birthday January.
yes, I'm turning an age. So this is your last week to guess how old you guys think I'll be turning, or how old you think I currently am, and put it in the comments. And in the next video, I will reveal my age. So, yes, just know black don't crack.
I can barely say her age right now.
Whatever, you better not say anything. So yeah, so let me go ahead. We need to go ahead and get this office desk repaired. I do have to leave it on here, so I think it's recommending after I glue it that I leave it on here for about 24 hours with the clamps. So that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this repaired. Okay, so here we go. Here's a much closer look. I don't think I showed you guys how bad this is. So I got 4 clamps. I'm hoping that will do the trick here. So I am going to, here, hold this. Hold this, Chase. Just hold it. Let me turn this off. So, stop pulling. Okay. So, here's my Gorilla Glue. There it is.
Glue for slime.
And let's see how this is going to treat. I think, do I need to take this out? Let's come out.
Mom, can you buy my slime at birthday?
Bring it closer. So I kind of wish I could really get this down in there. Ooh, There's like more that's coming off. Let me stop, no, don't touch it.
Be careful.
Are you recording, Chase? I feel like I need to take this whole thing off.
But these not broken. Yeah, look. I made it two times to look. No. This is different.
I know.
That's
I
not
need
good.
to,
That's not fine. Do that.
I need to, I did this in the store.
Oh, I know. That's fine.
All right, I'll be right back. I need to get this glue up. It's dripping. I need to get some kind of cloth. Hold on. All right, so those clamps were a fail. I actually got, I don't know, I guess these weren't the right clamps. I actually thought these would work because I tried them in the store. So I'm going to return these. Wait a second, Chloe. I'm going to return these. But here's my workaround. I just went and got, because you really had to like hold this together, otherwise it wasn't going to work, the Gorilla Glue. So I just went and got some tape. But my only concern is, and I guess we would know by tomorrow after I take this off, on how successful the tape was. But yeah, my concern is that when it's dry, it's going to strip the stain on the desk. So I don't know. Like I said, we'll see. But right now, this is... Stop, y'all two. Go over there. Go tell Daddy. Go tell Daddy. But the only thing, this is the only thing that I have. All right, just ignore her, Chloe. Chastity, go upstairs. And stop it. So, I don't know, but this is the workaround. If you guys have any other ideas, if you guys thought this was the best... Check, Chloe. Wait 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So, yeah, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I kind of feel like this is going to be a fail, even with the tape. So, I'm not really sure. Either I'm going to have to just go get a totally different clamp, or, yeah, I don't know. Or just choose or get some other kind of glue. I don't know, but tomorrow morning I want to take this off. It may or may not make it into this video on the outcome of this, but I definitely will give an update on how this turned out. Yeah, see, I feel like there's like tape on here, and I still feel like I'm pushing it. So the girls up there fighting. So yeah, so I don't know. I'm feeling like it's a fail. It's a fail. But if you guys have any suggestions on how I could get this to stay, definitely put it in the comments. And yeah, let's see how this turned out. Alrighty.
And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on a tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know?
So I am loving my eyebrows. I just went and got them tinted, cleaned up, tinted. And then as a bonus, she actually cleaned up my chin. Was not really going to get that done, but I love her. She treats me so well and she cuts me a break. So yeah, I got my eyebrows cleaned up and got them tinted, and then I got my chin cleaned up. So yes, you guys know my birthday is coming up, so just trying to do a little self-care. And then on Monday, my actual birthday, I do want to get a mani and a pedi. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm actually on my way to go visit my mother, so I'll be there for a little bit. So let's see what else the day brings. All right, it is the next day. I didn't do too much of anything. After I left my mother's, I just came back home and fed the kids, and I just kind of just unwind for the day, and yeah. So didn't do too much of anything, but I just wanted to hop back on here because I wanted to close out the vlog. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Next week, you guys are gonna update on how successful the repair was on my office desk, and yeah, and obviously if it didn't work, I have to figure something else out. But if you guys have any suggestions, definitely put that in the comments. And yeah, again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and also like, share, and comment. And I do respond to all my comments. Only thing I ask is that just to be nice. So yeah, so enjoy your Sunday, enjoy your week, and I hope you guys have a blessed day and week. Bye-bye.